Hello, in this video I'm going to be performing activity 4-2, working with volumes in disk management. This activity can be found on page 131 in the Installing and Configuring Microsoft Windows Server 2012 R2. Now, the objective of this activity is to work with basic and dynamic volumes. I'm going to be logged in. I'm currently logged into Server 1 as an administrator. And what I want to do is I'm going to start by double-clicking on the dev disk task. Just going to expand that. Click into disk management. And here you can see I have a few disks available. Now if you notice here, disk 1 and disk 2 are basic disks. Disk 1 is the disk that we just made. Disk 2 is a disk that I created back in chapter 1. So the first thing I will need to do is right-click this, the FAT32 volume. And notice here how the extend volume, shrink volume, and add mirror volume are all grayed out because these actions require NTFS or REFS volume. So I'm going to click again. This tells me to delete volume. Click yes. Now I'm going to right click the NTFS volume. And because it's a basic disk, if you choose an option not supported by a basic disk, you're prompted to convert to the disk to dynamic. Now I'm going to, since I've already right-clicked into the NTFS volume, I'm going to stay here and I'm going to click on Extend Volume. And the Extend Volume wizard shows up and I'm going to hit Next. Now in the Select the Amount of Space in megabytes, I'm just going to enter in 200. Click Next. Click Finish. And notice how my NTFS volume has gotten bigger. And then now I'm going to right click on the NTFS volume and I'm going to select Shrink. Now in the enter the amount of space you want to shrink, I'm just going to shrink it back to the same amount that I extended it to. Okay, see now it went back to the original size of the disk. Now I'm being asked to right click and now I'm going to add a mirror volume. So I'm going to add mirror. And in this instance I can only mirror to disk 2. So I'm going to select disk 2, click add mirror,